How to create a shared folder in OneDrive. Hey guys, this is Lucy. So first you need to open OneDrive in your browser or even your application, doesn't matter, and make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account in OneDrive. After that, you need to click on create or upload, and from the left menu right here, and you need to click on folder. So here it will start creating a new folder. Type the name of your new folder and click on create. So in my files, you will see your folder that you created just now. So open the folder, and in order to add your contents here, you need to click on create or upload again and click on upload files. So here you will need to click on the file you want to upload in your OneDrive, and it will upload it in your OneDrive in the folder that you created earlier. So in order to share this file or this folder, you need to click on this share icon right here, and it will open a new dialog box. Here you can either type the name of the person you want to share your link with. So let's try. So here, as you can see, I can add name or a Gmail associated with the Microsoft account, and I can also copy the link. So here, if I click on anyone with the link, you can edit who can access the file. So if you select anyone, then your link can be copied and accessed by anyone. But with specific people, you can choose to whoever you select here. And here under more settings, you will find can edit. So this is for if they can view only or if they can make edit or make changes. Now after that, just click on apply and you're done. Then you just need to copy the link and send it to the person you want to share your file with. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.